I want to help my kids in their study as well as when I go for PTM. I really want to talk in English language, but the thing is that I don't know how to speak this language. Even I understand a little bit, but I really don't know how to speak it at all, and I'm confused what to do, how to learn this language and speak it very confidently. Friends, if you are the one who is also struggling with this kind of issue, you want to learn this language, you understand a little bit but you cannot speak at all, why are you struggling with this kind of issue? Definitely I will be sharing with you the problem as well as the solution in today's video, so please watch this video till the end. My name is Anupama Mathur and you are watching Anushree English Channel. Friends, to be very honest with you, I'm a homemaker, and earlier I did not know how to speak this language, but I was very passionate towards this language. I just wanted to speak in this language. When I listened English cricket commentary, I really wanted to speak this language the way they speak. Okay, and so far as I have concerned that if you want to achieve something, definitely you can, on condition that you must be very consistent, punctual, dedicated and devoted towards that thing what you want to have, what you want to achieve. So in my initial stage, I started learning this language. I applied 2 to 3 tricks to learn this language, and I did my consistent practice, and today I can say I am able to speak in this language. Frankly speaking, I'm not that much perfect in this language. Even when I speak, I think my pronunciation is not that much good, but yes, I have that capability. I can talk in English language, I can communicate with anyone in this language. So if you are a homemaker and you also want to learn this language sitting at home, so definitely you can, because nowadays you can see by using social media, many English learners are learning this language. It does not matter you are a homemaker, or you live in village, or you are not going to any spoken institute. Okay, it does not matter. What matters is that you want to learn this language. Okay, you are very passionate towards this language, so definitely you can learn this language. So I'm sharing you how you can speak this language. Friends, one thing I would like to tell you, that you are much better than those who don't understand this language. You are understanding this language, so it's good for you. So the way you understand, in the same way you can start speaking. Okay, how do you understand? Have you ever thought? You understand why? Because your input is very good. You can you can read English book and understand it, you can listen English song and understand it, you can watch English news channels and understand it. Because why? Because you have gained a lot of knowledge, ideas and thoughts regarding regarding English language in your mind, and this is the reason you are capable of understanding each and everything in English language. Only the thing is that you cannot speak, so you have to follow the same thing what you have followed in understanding. So a very beautiful trick you have to do. Okay, a very beautiful trick. Whatever you are listening, okay, just listen one line and pause the video in the between and just speak that sentence 5 to 6 times, again and again until it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, and then listen another line or read another line. Okay, and if you are meeting with your friend, if you are asking something to anyone, where are you going, if he said I'm going to market, so you have to imitate that. Okay, you are going to market means you have to repeat the sentence what he or she said. That's how you will do exercise of your speaking muscles. Okay, your speaking muscles will be habituated to speak this language. Same thing everyone follows. To be very honest with you, earlier I really did not practice of speaking, and that's why I was not able to speak. I only understood the things, but today I'm able to speak. Why? Because I not only listen but also do my English speaking practice. Whatever I listen, read, watch, I just follow speaking activity as well. Means I speak in my sentences. What you are suffering, like your output is not good. Okay, so you have to improve your output, and for improving your output you have to do your English speaking practice. So there are 2 to 3 ways you can apply. Just take any small storybook. Okay, in a storybook you will find like 5 to 10 stories. Okay, and read one story daily, and don't finish that story in one day. Try to finish that story in 2 or 3 days, and read only one passage again and again. And friends, you will be very comfortable with this language if you read again and again, because there are different kinds of structures, subjects, verbs, okay, models. So you will understand like how the things are used. That's I'm telling you, it will be very beneficial for you if you read something again and again. Okay, now let's move to listening. You can just open your YouTube, and you can search animated audio story. Okay, so there you will watch story and listen, and you can read like subtitles. So in one video you will find 3 things, like subtitles, as well as through picturization. You will understand everything. It does not matter you are understanding English or not. Through picturization you will understand everything. This thing I do, I watch animated audio story, and there are some words which I am not able to understand. I understand by picturization. That's I'm telling you. If you watch an animated story, so by through picturization you will learn each and everything. You will understand each and everything. That's I'm telling you. So you have to do two things, like read small story per day and listen animated audio story. No, when you listen you will watch as well. Okay, so 2 things you have to do. And friends, apart from it, you have to write something. Okay, any essay or any story, fake story you can write, or a application or letter. Just take a paper and pen and try to write, and after writing read loudly. Okay, 5 to 6 times you have to do this practice per day, every day. So just do all these 3 things, and friends, within couple of days you will see like you are capable of speaking this language. In one day you will not get perfection, but one day definitely will get perfection. So no one can get success in one day, but by the virtue of consistent practice everyone gets success. So in your case also you will also get success. Just keep doing things regularly. Okay, and don't get afraid of making mistake, because mistake is the part of learning any skill. If you don't make any mistake, so how will you recognize that you have done something wrong? How will you get to know like you need to improve here? So just take your first step, avoid mistake. Okay, ignore mistake and keep moving forward. Never let your fear hold you back. Always let your passion drive you forward. Okay, so just keep listening and keep reading, even if it feels forced at first. Don't get disappointed like you are not getting result. You are doing your effort but you are not doing result. Friends, just keep doing your conscious effort to learn this language, and definitely friends, you will start speaking this language. This is my personal experience. I'm also a homemaker. Earlier I did not know how to speak this language, but nowadays I communicate in this language, and I feel very confident while speaking this language. I know that I make mistake somewhere. I know that I make mistake, but I never get demotivated like I'm making mistake. In my conversation I try to convey my message. I never focus like I'm speaking right or wrong. I just try to convey my message. So same thing you have to do. Don't worry like you are a beginner Okay, you don't know how to talk in this language, just try to convey your message first of all, even if you are speaking broken English. Okay friends, so let's meet in the next video, and keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing of English speaking. Bye bye.